Now we are going to study about electric field. What is electric field? Here I am considering a charge Q. This may be a positive or negative charge. So now I am considering a positive charge Q. And this is a space around that. This is a space around that charge Q. And I am considering another charge delta Q. Is a very minute charge. Is delta Q. Is placed at the space. This is a space around charge Q. This space around charge. And when this delta Q is a very minute charge is placed on this space, a force is experienced by this charge. A force is experienced by this charge delta Q. A force is experienced. Why a force is experienced by this charge delta Q? Because this charge is placed on the electric field of Q. Because this charge is placed on the space around this charge Q. That space is called electric field. That space is called electric field. That's the definition of electric field. Electric field is the space around charge Q where a force is experienced by another charge delta Q. Next we are going to study about electric field intensity. Here I place the charge, positive charge Q at a distance R. It is a point P. I placed another charge delta Q is a very minute charge, is also a positive charge. Then this delta Q experienced a force due to this charge Q, because this delta Q is placed on the electric field of Q, so it experienced a force. That force is electric field intensity. That is a definition of electric field intensity. This electric field intensity is the it's a force. It is a force experienced by unit positive charge. Unit positive charge placed at point P. Here is which is a unit positive charge. Here it is delta Q. Here it is delta Q. Delta Q is placed at point P. Placed at point P. This is a definition of electric field intensity. Next, what is a equation of electric field intensity? Equation of electric field intensity is electric field intensity E is equal to electric field intensity is the force experienced on unit positive charge. Then so electric field intensity is force divided by unit charge Q. This equation of electric field intensity is very important. This equation of electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is force by point charge, unit positive charge Q. Here I taken this Q as delta Q, so we can change that. So E is equal to electric field E is equal to electrostatic force between charge F divided by delta Q, because here unit positive charge is taken as delta Q. So if E is equal to force by Q, force can write as F is equal to E into Q. we can write like this, E into Q. According to Coulomb's law, what is force? According to Coulomb's law, F is equal to, this we know that, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Here Q1 is charge Q and Q2 is charge delta Q. What is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity is equal to F by Q, or here Q is delta Q, so we can write as F divided by delta Q is unit positive charge. So what is F? F according to Coulomb's law, F force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q delta Q divided by R square divided by this delta Q. This delta Q and delta Q cancel out. Then we get the equation of electric field intensity, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R square. This is another equation of electric field intensity. So here we got two equations. Electric field intensity is electrostatic force divided by charge, or electric